So in the last lecture, my voice is audible? Yes, Shivangi, voice is audible, beta? Voice is audible?
Yes, ma'am. It's audible.
Okay. Okay, fine. In the last lecture, slides are visible. We started with the fifth unit, that is a physical design of VLSI design. Yes. आवाज सुनाई नहीं दे रही है? Slides. Just first let me know whether slides are visible to you or voice is audible or not. Then I need to start, ना? हाँ, आवाज आ रही है बेटा? My voice is audible and audible?
Ma'am, audible.
Okay. And slides are visible now, beta? Oh, slides are visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In the last class, we started with the physical design and we completed the basic introduction part of the VLSI and Y chart, Moore's law. Today we are going to start with the EK2. ये अपन ने लास्ट लेक्चर 29 को जो हुआ था उसमें व्हाट इज द हिस्ट्री ऑफ फिजिकल डिजाइन और फुल कस्टम और सेमी कस्टम में क्या डिफरेंस है. वन बिलोंग्स टू द एसिक क्लास एंड अनदर फॉर द एफपीजीए दैट वी हैव completed. Fine. Apart from that, I explained you the Moore's law, that is the year versus the number of transistor or chip reductions. And I told it is a very important and backbone of your large scale integration design circuits. Fine. Apart from this is a Gajaski Y chart is there, and in that particular I just explained you that it has been developed from 1983 and got is completely established in 85. And this Y chart, in that we have a 3 domain, that is behavioral, structural and physical domain. This particular chart impacts that the overall development of any chip is depend on 3 structures, that is behavioral, structural and physical domain. As far as behavior is concerned, their algorithm, system, register, transfer, this all come together. When structural domain concerned, ALU, RAM, flip-flops, all this comes. And for physical domain, it's we must say layout part come into the picture. That is a floor plan, physical partition and all. Fine. That all, is there any doubt in this? Because this is also very important initial start of physical design. One must know. Ready? Okay. Now we are starting EK tool. So today will discuss little bit about the electronic computer aided design. There are so many CAD tools like computer aided design for mechanical engineering and IT. And in this particular ECAD, we will just discuss the electronic computer aided design toolboxes. Why ECAD? So basically, this question arise that there are so many CAD toolbox, we can use them. but why particularly the electronics computer aided design? So the manual design can occur with a small number transistor. As the number of transistors increase, like SSI, VLSI, the amount of evaluations जो रहता है हमारा वो and the decision making would become overwhelmed. So just to make trade-off, maintaining the performance requirements, design and implementation times become impractical. So how does one create a complex electronic design consisting of millionaire transistors? The answer is ECAD toolbox. Is it clear to you? Actually पहले ये था कि नंबर ऑफ ट्रांजिस्टर और ये सब बहुत कम थे किसी भी सर्किट डिजाइन के लिए. So what used to be there? First of all, circuit used to design by their layout and all. Then testing used to take place. But what happens nowadays that number of transistors in one IC is million or trillion. So in that particular case, it is essential that one must particularly first go for its software designing and testing. Let me completely satisfy by the software designing that this circuitry is fine, then we can go for its layout. So that is the main purpose of EK. So you can write down this line, number of transistor, that basically it is a trade-off between the power speed area with respect to the number of transistor. Is it clear, beta? Yes. Okay. Sure. Now introduction of EK. ये तो हमें क्लियर हो गया. EKD is electronic design automation. Fine. And this is basically software for integrated circuit design. I just suggest you to write down this and give time to write down that also. That ECAD software जो है IC designing का, it incorporates modular digital flows and encompasses the logic and the circuit design methods required by the miniatured electronic component. And as far as design clauses are concerned, the process by which very large scale like VLSI is modified, that is an important feature of ECAD toolbox. Just write down this line. That is more than sufficient. That is ECAD software for IC design. क्या करता है? हमें incorporate करता है digital flow and encompasses the logic and the circuit design methods required for miniature electronic component. तुम लिख लो तो प्लीज लेट मी नो so that we'll move further better. Yes, have you written? Have you written? Yes, Praveen, Mandeep, Shivangi. Now, next comes, it's a design flow, like selecting electronic design automation. ECAD tool require what? A proper understanding of design principle, floor planning, logic synthesis, behavioral synthesis, and intelligent verification. Fine. Basically, EDA is used with both application specific and FPGA. EDA toolbox जो है वो full custom और semi custom दोनों में use होता है. whether I want to design ASIC or FPGA. And this thing I told you in a last lecture also. This difference is very important as far as your midterm exams are concerned, or the particularly I must say RTU exam. The difference between semi-custom and full custom, or the difference between ASIC and FPGA design. ठीक है? So EDA is useful for both, and basically जब भी मैं कोई भी सर्किट डिजाइन कर रही हूँ, so what necessary thing I need to know is my design principle, floor planning, logic synthesis, behavioral synthesis, or intelligent verification. Fine. Now this comes the important part, that is VLSI design cycle. This is also many a time going to be asked. Okay. So I just split in 2 slides just to better explain you. कैसे डिजाइन फ्लो मूव होता है VLSI में. सबसे पहले सिस्टम स्पेसिफिकेशन. whoever comes to the VLSI designer or VHDL designer, that मेरे को ये IC चाहिए, so and so I want to design, and with this much of characteristics. So what used to be happen in that case? Okay, fine. वो जो डिजाइनर है वो स्पेसिफिकेशन वो रख लेता है, and then he starts its functional design. So system specification means the particular description about the circuit which we want. Fine. Then functional design mein how we can describe its behavior and all that belongs to the functional design. Then we go for the logical design and circuit design. Fine. How this is explained? See, a particular customer or a vendor come and he told we want this IC to be designed. What a designer or a VLSI designer need to do? First of all, he designs some functional design. Then he make a logic concept. And if depending on this logic, this is a circuitry that is going to be there. Fine. And after that, physical design is there. As soon as its circuit design and all is going to be complete, then it goes for the physical design. Then when the physical design is going to be verified, then it goes for the fabrication. After fabrication, its packaging is used to be there. That is a complete VLSI design circuitry. Okay? So I just suggest you either you take the screenshot or write. I am giving you 2 minutes for both the slides. First for this and then next for them. इसमें इस तरह का क्वेश्चन भी पूछ लिया जाता है कई बार कि what do you understand by VLSI design cycle? Draw and explain. And don't get confused. In many books are a little bit different. Design flow is there, but the meaning is exactly the same, which is here. So that you need to be aware. Okay? And that is all about the physical design, fabrication or packaging. Okay? Now, that is all about कि हम जो बात कर रहे थे फ्रंट एंड एंड बैक एंड टूल बॉक्स की. तो डिजाइन फ्लो और द ओवरव्यू. Now by this both the circuit design, it is going to be clear. Like, first of all, we need the logical and circuit designing. And after that, physical design, fabrication and packaging is going to be there. Is it clear? Cycle flow is clear to all of you? ये इसलिए भी इम्पोर्टेंट है क्योंकि इसका ये जो लॉजिक डिजाइन वाला पार्ट है, फंक्शनल और लॉजिक डिजाइन, ये VHDL है. दैट इज अ थिंग जो हम इसी यूनिट में कंप्लीट करेंगे. और जो ये नेक्स्ट पार्ट है ना फिजिकल डिजाइन वाला, दैट कम्स आउट टू बी ना थर्ड यूनिट, जहाँ हम स्कीमेट और फैब्रिकेशन मीन्स लेआउट, ये दोनों चीजें हम थर्ड यूनिट में कंप्लीट करेंगे. ठीक है. अब यहाँ पर आती है बात ओवर स्टेप्स प्रियर टू सर्किट फिजिकल सर्किटरी. तो 2 तरह से होता है, फ्रंट एंड फ्लो एंड फिजिकल लेवल डिजाइन, दैट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ बैक एंड फ्लो. Physical design is also known as place and route. And CAD tools are involved in all stages of VLSI design flow, and different tools can be used at different stages due to EDA common data formats. ठीक है? That's it. That is a thing which I told you in the starting of this unit also, कि जो VHDL वाला पार्ट है वो फ्रंट एंड टूल कहलाता है, और ये जो फिजिकल डिजाइन एंड वेरिफिकेशन है ये बैक एंड टूल कहते हैं. Depending on this, we further classify this. ये वही है फिजिकल डिजाइन साइकिल फ्रंट एंड. In this floor planning place and that is going to be there. इसी के एक्सप्लेनेशन को बताया इन्होंने कि बैक एंड और फ्रंट एंड में जो मेन टॉपिक्स हैं, हाउ दिस गोइंग टू बी वर्क. जैसे पार्टीशनिंग जो होती है, दैट इज अ प्रोसेस ऑफ डिवाइडिंग द चिप इनटू द स्मॉल ब्लॉक्स, एंड दिस इज डन मेनली टू सेपरेट डिफरेंट फंक्शनल ब्लॉक्स and also to make the placement and routing easy. Whereas in a floor planning, layout design done at the chip level, and defining layout hierarchy, estimation of required designs are design and area used to be there. For a place and route means placing the particular component and route it properly. Compaction is a final step for the physical design, and it transforms the symbolic layout into the mask layout. This all thing we will discuss in detail when our schematic and layout chapter is going to be start. So need not to bother, but yes, of course, a little bit at a glance you must know what is DRC, what is layout and all. So this I am not explaining you here. This we are going to discuss in third unit. Then verification comes out. One is a formal verification and another is a physical verification. Means, okay, like DRC check, design rule check. ERC is electrical rule check. LVS is layout versus schematic. ये कुछ ऐसे टर्म्स हैं जिनके बारे LVS, ERC, DRC ये सब अपन नेक्स्ट इसमें देखेंगे यूनिट में. नाउ कम्स बैक एंड टूल. बैक एंड टूल की जहां तक बात आती है तो वो कौन सा, मैंने जैसे कहा ना, फिजिकल लेआउट एंड फैब्रिकेशन इज माय बैक एंड टूल. सो व्हाट वी मीन बाय बैक एंड टूल, mask layout or the fabrication. So the creation of mask layout is one of the most important steps in the full custom, and it describes the detailed geometric and relative positioning of the each mask layer to be used in actual fabrication. The physical layout design is very tightly linked to overall circuit performance like area, speed, power dissipation. And since the physical structure determines the transconductance of the transistors, parasitic capacitance and resistance, and obviously the silicon area which is used in the certain function. So what do you understand by the layout? This is the main concept of layout that is very tightly linked to overall circuit performance. That is area, speed and power dissipation. और physical structure क्या determine करता है? Transconductance of the transistors, the parasitic capacitance, resistance and all. On the other hand, the detailed mask layout of the logic gates requires a very intensive and time-consuming design effort. Whereas the fabrication comes out to be the process, physical design process complete होने के बाद हम fabrication पे जाते हैं. So what it comes basically, graphic design system और data type जो भी है उसे हम test करके और फिर इसको implement करते हैं. Now what comes to be front end. Back end में one more thing you can write down. here in this, what toolbox you need to be used, that is backend में हम जो toolbox use करते हैं हमारे यहाँ पर भी है अभी, जैसे Tanner EDA है, Tanner EDA हो गया. This is a software which is available in our lab. और Cadence है, Mentor ग्राफिक्स. ठीक है, ये कुछ टूल्स हैं जो पर्टिकुलरली इसी के काम में आते हैं. ठीक है, और वेयरएज फ्रंट एंड टूल की जब बात होती है, जैसे मैंने निकाला लॉजिकल, कॉम्बिनेशनल, ये डिजाइनिंग हम करते हैं फ्रंट एंड टूल में. इसमें जो बात आती है तो वो Xilinx ISC रहता है, दैट इज इंटीग्रेटेड सिंथेसिस एनवायरनमेंट. So that is a software tool produced by Xilinx, synthesis and analysis of HDL and RTL, and it simulate a design. Fine. और एक तो Xilinx है, ये परचेज फॉर्म में आता है, और एक GHDL होता है, दैट इज G हार्डवेयर डिजाइन हार्ड टूल. ठीक है, तो ये बेसिकली किसके काम में आता है, प्रोग्रामिंग के. तो GHDL जो है दैट इज द ओपन सोर्स टूल बॉक्स अवेलेबल फ्रीली. गूगल पे भी डालोगे GHDL तो उसकी सारी फाइल डाउनलोड हो जाएगी. कुछ प्रोग्राम अपन लैब में GHDL से करेंगे एंड सम प्रोग्राम विल बी बेस्ड ऑन Xilinx ISC. ठीक है, but backend tool I write down. Front end tool is this and backend is this. It is a tool for the design of integrated circuit, and this tool allow you to enter schematic, perform spice simulation, and perform design rules check. Okay. Now finally, advantages of ECAD tools. So ability to evaluate complex condition in which solve one problem creates another. Analytical method है to assess the cost of a decision. Use synthesis method है to help provide a solution. Allows the process of proposing the analyzing solution to occur at the same time. And what is the application of ECAD tool or EDA tool is this, like layout, LBS और ये सारा है. ये अपन जब स्कीमेटिक और वो पढ़ेंगे तब मैं तुम्हें और डिटेल में बता. नाउ कम एसिक, यहाँ से अपन नेक्स्ट क्लास में पढ़ेंगे बेटा एप्लीकेशन स्पेसिफिक इंटीग्रेटेड सर्किट एंड इम्पोर्टेंट फीचर्स में स्टैटिक एनालिसिस प्लस एंड ये सारा कुछ जब DRC चेक अपना आएगा, इन दैट टाइम वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी. Now just you give your attendance first and then we'll discuss further. Mandeep?
Present, ma'am.
Shivangi? Praveen?
Present, ma'am.
Siddharth?
Present, ma'am.
Tanmay? Tanmay, are you there? Vandana?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Tanmay नहीं है क्या? One more thing I want to tell. सभी अपना कोर्स एक्सेप्ट कर दो, इवन सेमेस्टर नैनो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स का वो आगे हमें भेजना है. फाइन. यस बेटा. प्रवीण, मनदीप, तन्मय, सिद्धार्थ.
Yes, ma'am.
और सेकेंड थिंग इज नेक्स्ट वीक शायद कोई एक ऑनलाइन FDP है, सो योर क्लास टाइम विल बी डिफर. आई विल इन्फॉर्म यू.
Okay, ma'am.
It could be the same or it could differ because 10 August to 14 August I have one online faculty development program. that is AICT like sponsor or like that. But I will inform you. Yet it is not certain I will join or not, but I will communicate to you. So आज अपन ने like little bit about ECAD tool discuss किया. On the whole, particularly electronic design, computer aided design toolbox is in that I am discussing my logical design and particularly layout. तो लॉजिक की बात आएगी तो हम VHDL पे प्रोग्रामिंग करते हैं, और जब अपनी इसकी बात आती है क्या कहते हैं अपने लेआउट की, तो टेनर ईडी. फाइन. अब नाउ इन नेक्स्ट क्लास वन मोर थियोरिटिकल टॉपिक इज देयर ऑफ हार्डली 10 to 15 minutes, दैट इज ASIC डिजाइन. और इसी में जो मैं क्वेश्चन बार बार कह रही हूँ ना कि फुल कस्टम, सेमी कस्टम या ASIC FPGA आएगा, तो नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम ASIC और FPGA इन दोनों के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. फाइन. एंड देन फाइनली विल स्टार्ट विद द प्रोग्रामिंग पार्ट. Fine. In programming part, as I told you that I will allow you to share your screen also. Some program I will let you explain कि इस तरह से करना है. एक दो प्रोग्राम इन बिटवीन आई विल टेल कि तुम लिखो, और जैसे particularly you can on your camera and show your program that I have written this, because I don't want कि online में ये ना हो कि प्रोग्रामिंग पार्ट अपन अच्छे से नहीं कर पाए. Is it clear? Okay, Shivangi, Vandana, fine. Okay, now we'll join for sustainable engineering class by 3-5. Okay, ठीक है. और अभी अपना ये 5th यूनिट में we completed 2 topics. लास्ट क्लास में हमने फिजिकल डिजाइन का इंट्रोडक्शन पढ़ा था, और टुडे ECAD 2. In the next class means tomorrow in the morning we'll go for the particularly एक तो FPGA and ASIC, इसकी डिटेल डिस्क्रिप्शन अपन पढ़ेंगे. इस पे बेस्ड लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन could be asked in your RTU. What do you understand by ASIC? Design its circuitry, differentiate with FPGA. That is, I must say 99% confirmed question. So you need to attend that in a very proper way, है ना? Okay, बेटा. Okay.